The best 12 Canva tips, tricks and hidden features you should try. Tip and trick number 1 is easily erase backgrounds using Canva Background Remover tool. You can delete an image background image using Canva, that is, you only need to upload the image you want to delete, then click on the image on a page. After that, a menu will appear at the top in the form of image editing, which is useful for removing the background from your image. You just click the button and a search field will appear like this. If you have used this feature, it will appear under this search. If you have never used this feature, then you can look for it in the search field and just click. After you click it, the process will automatically remove the background from your image or photo like this. Tip and trick number 2 is using Canva's Magic Resize tool to optimize your posts. This is a solution for those of you who often work with various sizes for a design. For example, if you create a logo or banner or flyer, of course you need a way to easily organize pages and designs. You can use Canva to solve that problem by using the Resize tool. The method is very easy, that is, prepare in advance the design you want to make, and I use a template from Canva just to make it faster. Then you click on the top left corner, then you will find the Resize tool button. Click the button and select the size you want, because here there are lots of sizes that you can use, or if you have a special size you can use it through the menu above and you just enter the size you want. After you finish choosing the size you want to use, then you will be given two options, namely copy and resize or just resize. The function of the copy and resize buttons is to copy your design on a new page with the size you have chosen, but if you select resize, then the design you want to make the size will be changed without creating a new page. If I usually use copy and resize. Tip and trick number 3 is to create the highlight effect for YouTube thumbnail. Have you ever wondered how YouTubers get that amazing stroke look on their thumbnails? Canva allows you to do so in seconds. The way is very easy. You just need to select the image you want to make your YouTube thumbnail. If you don't have a suitable image, you can use the image in the menu element. I will use just a random image with the keyword shocked. Of course, there will be many choices of images you can choose, and I choose this picture for example only. The next step is to use a background eraser, as I explained in the previous explanation, or you can also use an image that no longer has a background like an image in this element. The next step is to make a duplicate of the image that you used earlier. To make a duplicate of the image, you can press the Ctrl+C key with Ctrl+V, or you can also use the copy and paste button located on the right mouse click menu. The next step is to edit the image by clicking on the image first and selecting the duotone menu in the editing menu. After that, there will be two choices, namely highlight and shadow. Then change these two options to all white. Now you can get a white background like this. The last step is that you only need to set the image you uploaded earlier with the white background image. Tip and trick number 4 is using Canva Graph Maker to design beautiful graphs and charts. Canva is a goldmine of surprising features. Need infographics, graphs, or charts for your blog post? You can create them within seconds. The way you can just type in the Google search field with the keyword Canva Graph Maker, then a graph display will appear like this, and you can click Create My Graph Now and you will go to a page that contains graphic templates like this. But you can also use Canva Graph Maker on the home menu by just typing Canva Graph Maker in the search field at home. After that, you will see various templates that you can use for your needs. The advantage of this method is that you can see a lot of template options that you can use. If you want to add a special graph or a special chart, then you just need to click on the element, and you just type the graph. Then there will be many options that you can use. After choosing the graph you want, then you just need to design the graph with the appropriate color with your design. Then you just choose one of the templates you want and design it according to your wishes. And then when you're done, you can click the share button in the top right corner. Tip and trick number 5 is to save your designs as templates. If you want your coworkers to use the design you created, but your coworkers are not in the office and you don't want to give your Canva password, then you can use this method. All you have to do is design a template that is suitable for your design or the brand you have. In my tutorial, I chose a random template image. Then you just need to click the share button in the top right corner. The next step is to select the template link button, and with this link, you can share your work with others. And you can also sell templates like this on Etsy.com, and of course, this will give you additional income. If you want to know how to get additional income by selling templates, then you can watch my video, but of course, after watching this video, I will discuss other tips and tricks in this video. Tip and trick number 6 is to use Canva's color palette generator to create attractive color combinations. How to use this feature is that you only need to type in the Google Canva palette generator, then you select the website. At the top, of course, the website is Canva. Then you will be given a choice, namely try the demo or upload your image. The Try Demo button will display a random image that uses a color combination special. So you can use this color combination for your design on Canva or elsewhere. Then you can also use the upload button for this image, because when you upload the picture, the color combination of the image will appear, and of course with a hex number that you can use for the design that you made. You can also scroll down to find color combinations that you can use as inspiration. Besides this feature, you can also use on Canva directly how to open your design page, then you upload your image and the color combination used by your image will appear. Tip and tricks number 7 is to get color palette ideas and font combinations. Actually, Canva is one of the most complete tools. Besides, you can create a color palette from method number 6 earlier. You can also create a color palette through this color wheel. The trick is that you just rotate this wheel according to the color you want. Other colors will be recommended automatically. One of the advantages of this feature is that you can set color combinations with 1 to 4 color combinations. So if you need a design with one color, you can choose this menu, and so if you need 2 or 3 color combinations, you just need to click the menu. To access this menu is quite easy. Just type in Google with the keyword Canva color wheel, then this feature will appear. In addition to a good color combination, you also need an interesting font combination to look at. The method is the same. You only need to type in the keyword Canva font combinations. A display like this will appear to make it easier for you to make font combinations for your designs. Tip and trick number 8 is to use the color eyedropper tool. You no longer need to download any add-ons to select colors. Canva Pro's eyedropper tool makes it easier than ever to choose any color in your design and use it elsewhere. Here's how you can go about it. Step 1. On the element of your choosing, click the color palette icon. Step 2. Select Add a new color from the Document Colors tab. Step 3. Next to the hex code is the eyedropper tool. Select any color from the screen by clicking on it. Tip and trick number 9 is to import and edit PDF files. Did you know you can import PDF files into the Canva editor? Not only that, but after the PDF file is imported, you may make as many changes as you like. Let's see what you can come up with. The method is very easy. You only need to upload the PDF file that you have prepared via drag and drop files on the Canva home menu, and you only need to wait for the upload process to finish, and you can edit the file according to your needs, so you don't need an online PDF editor that is located on Google, and do it directly in Canva. Then you only need to edit your PDF file according to the needs you need. You can change the font or add various other elements such as images or ornaments. After everything is done, you only need to save the file in the form of a PDF file via the Share menu in the upper right corner. Tip and trick number 10 is to blurring the background of an image. Blurring the background can sometimes be a problem because it requires some special camera settings or editing, but Canva now makes it easy to blur your photos or images. The method is very easy. You just look for it in Canva element in the form of a photo that you want to blur the background, or you can use your own photo. I'll just use a random photo in Canva elements. There are actually 2 ways to make this effect. First, you just need to click on Edit Image, then in the search box you type blur, then this feature will appear, then you click on the feature, and you can set which part you want to blur or which part you want make it clear and sharp, but this feature is manual and takes a bit of time. The second way, you just need to duplicate the image, then select the image behind to be given a blur effect through the feature, but select the automatic menu, and automatically your image will become blurry. Then you can click the image in front and you click Edit, then use the background remover feature, and the result will automatically remove the entire background, and you only need to adjust the position of this image so that it fits the image behind it. Tip and trick number 11 is text masking with alphabet frames. Do you want to develop one-of-a-kind and highly engaging designs? Text masking is one of the greatest methods for accomplishing this. With this easy procedure, you may conceal your letter frames in Canva. First, you must create a blank page according to the design you want to make. Then you can type in the element section in the form of frames, and there are lots of options that you can use, but in this tutorial we use the frame alphabet for our needs. You only need to arrange these frames according to the text you want and adjust the size of the frame. In the next step, you only need to enter the image or video you want, and actually this feature I often use for videos. Tip and trick number 12 is converting photos into paintings. Yes, with Canva you can easily transform your images into a painting. Let's see how to do it. First, upload the image that you want to turn into a painting, or use stock photos from Canva, because this is just an example, so I use stock photos from Canva. Now that we have selected an image in Canva, then click on the image, and then click on Edit Image. In the search field you can choose the Prisma effect from the list. Try out all the 10 variations of the painting styles and select the one that you like best. This effect will add a pinch of creativity to your boring pictures. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe buttons and leave a comment below this video to let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment below this video to let me know what you would like to see next and what type of videos you want me to create for you. I will be able to respond back to you as soon as possible. Also be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.